HiBy R1 versus Snowsky Echo Mini, which portable music player is better? In this video, we're comparing the HiBy R1 and the Snowsky Echo Mini to help you decide which portable music player is the better buy. We'll compare their design, sound quality, features, battery life, user experience, and overall value so you can choose the one that best fits your listening style. Let's start with the design. The HiBy R1 has a modern look with a 3-inch touchscreen and a lightweight, pocket-friendly design. It runs HiBy's Linux-based operating system, making navigation smooth and intuitive. The Snowsky Echo Mini, on the other hand, takes a completely different approach. It features a retro cassette-inspired design with physical buttons instead of a touchscreen, giving it a nostalgic feel while remaining compact and portable. It's ideal for users who want a simple, distraction-free music player. Now let's talk about sound quality. Both players deliver excellent audio for their price range, but they have different sound signatures. The HiBy R1 sounds slightly more detailed and energetic, with clearer vocals, better instrument separation, and a brighter treble presentation. It creates a lively listening experience that works well across many music genres. The Snowsky Echo Mini has a warmer, smoother sound with fuller bass and a more relaxed treble. If you enjoy long listening sessions and prefer a less fatiguing presentation, you may actually prefer the Echo Mini. Now let's compare features. The HiBy R1 clearly offers more functionality. It supports Wi-Fi streaming services such as Tidal and Kaba's, AirPlay, Bluetooth, USB DAC functionality, MSEB sound tuning, advanced EQ options, and supports microSD cards up to 2 TB. The Snowsky Echo Mini focuses on local music playback. It supports Bluetooth output and balanced headphone output, but doesn't offer streaming apps or the same level of software flexibility. Its interface is intentionally simple but also much more limited. When it comes to usability, the difference becomes even clearer. The HiBy R1 has a more polished operating system, faster music library management, better support for large music collections, and features like gapless playback, making it much easier to use every day. The Snowsky Echo Mini is simpler, but many users report that its button-based interface feels dated and can be slower to navigate, especially with large music libraries. Community feedback generally favors the R1 for software and overall user experience. Battery life is solid on both devices, making them suitable for daily portable listening. Both are compact enough to carry comfortably in a pocket or small bag, so which one should you buy? If you want a modern portable music player with streaming support, a touchscreen, advanced sound customization, better software, larger library support, and greater versatility, the HiBy R1 is the clear winner. However, if your goal is a simple digital music player that encourages a distraction-free listening experience, and you prefer a warmer sound with a retro design, the Snowsky Echo Mini is still an excellent value. Here's my honest verdict. For most people, I recommend the HiBy R1. Its better software, smoother interface, streaming support, larger microSD capacity, and richer feature set make it the stronger all-around portable music player. The Snowsky Echo Mini is best suited for listeners who want a minimalist, offline-only music experience and appreciate its nostalgic design and warm sound signature. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more portable audio reviews and comparisons. And let me know in the comments which music player you'd like me to compare next.